Dajjal will live for 40 days, as we said. In the first day it'll be as long as a year, the second day as long as a month, third day as long as a week, and the rest of the days normal. And there will be one man who will be able to, who will do something. Rasul says, I know him, and he is the best man on that day. He will come warning the people, saying he is not God, he is not God, he is a Dajjal, he is the Antichrist. And they will say, what are you saying about our Lord? So they'll bring him to him. And he will say, I am your God, look what I can do. He said, you are the liar, and the Prophet ﷺ told us about you. So he'll bring a saw, and he'll saw him in half. And then he'll walk between the two body parts, and the man will come and rise, will become alive again. And the Prophet ﷺ told us he'll be able to do that once, just once. And the man said, Dajjal says to him, now do you believe I am God? And he says, now I believe more that you are not God, but you are actually a Dajjal, because you cannot do this to me again. And truly, he will not be able to do that again. He will throw him into his fire. Rasul ﷺ tells us he will have something that looks like a fire and something that looks like water. He said it's an illusion. The fire is his water and his water is his fire. Go to the fire to drink from it if you see it. And the man vanishes, disappears. Rasul ﷺ says he is the best, he's a real man, the best of man in that day, who tries to call the people away from the worship of a Dajjal.